Living in Miami Beach offers many perks: beautiful ocean views, vibrant neighborhoods, and year-round sunshine. However, with these advantages often comes a downside: noise. From busy streets and bustling nightlife to ocean winds and nearby construction, unwanted sound can disrupt the comfort of your home. Fortunately, hurricane windows provide an effective solution not only for storm protection but also for noise reduction. Designed to withstand extreme weather, hurricane windows also offer impressive soundproofing benefits, making them a smart investment for Miami Beach homeowners seeking peace and quiet. Understanding how hurricane windows reduce noise. Hurricane windows are engineered with multiple layers of impact-resistant glass bonded together with a durable interlayer, typically made from polyvinyl butyryl (PVB). This laminated construction is specifically designed to absorb and dampen sound vibrations. Unlike standard single-pane windows, which allow noise to pass through easily, hurricane windows significantly reduce sound transmission by adding multiple layers of glass, incorporating a sound-dampening interlayer, creating an airtight seal that blocks outside air and noise. This combination forms a strong barrier that helps minimize unwanted external sounds, improving indoor comfort. Protection against Miami Beach's urban noise. Miami Beach is known for its lively atmosphere, but constant noise from traffic, pedestrians, and entertainment venues can affect your home's tranquility. Hurricane windows help reduce these disturbances by limiting the amount of sound entering your living space. Homeowners often notice improvements in areas such as bedrooms facing busy streets, living rooms near high traffic zones, home offices requiring a quiet work environment, reducing outside noise. Hurricane windows create a more peaceful and relaxing indoor setting. Blocking wind and storm-related noise. Coastal living also brings exposure to strong winds, especially during hurricane season. Standard windows may rattle or allow wind noise to infiltrate your home, causing discomfort and distraction. Hurricane windows are built to remain secure and stable under high wind pressure. Their reinforced frames and laminated glass minimize vibrations and prevent rattling, helping to block wind-related noise during storms and breezy conditions alike. Enhanced energy efficiency and comfort. In addition to noise reduction, hurricane windows improve energy efficiency, another important benefit for Miami Beach homeowners. Their insulated glass construction and tight seals reduce heat transfer and prevent air leaks. This results in more consistent indoor temperatures, lower cooling costs, improved indoor comfort year-round by enhancing both sound insulation and thermal performance. Hurricane windows offer a comprehensive upgrade for coastal properties. Improved home security. The same features that reduce noise also strengthen home security. Laminated impact-resistant glass is difficult to break, providing added protection against forced entry. Even if the glass cracks, the interlayer holds it in place, preventing easy access. This dual benefit, enhanced security and sound reduction, makes hurricane windows a valuable addition to any Miami Beach home. Ideal for coastal living. Miami Beach's environment presents unique challenges, including salt air, humidity, and intense sunlight. Modern hurricane windows are designed with corrosion-resistant frames and durable materials that withstand these conditions while maintaining long-term performance. Their ability to handle both environmental stress and noise control makes them particularly well-suited for coastal homes, condos, and waterfront properties. Professional installation maximizes results. To achieve the full noise-reducing benefits of hurricane windows, proper installation is essential. Professional installers ensure accurate measurements and secure fit. Airtight sealing to block sound infiltration. Compliance with local building codes for hurricane protection. Expert installation guarantees optimal performance, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home. A quieter, more comfortable home. In Miami Beach, hurricane windows are widely recognized for their storm protection capabilities, but their sound dampening benefits are equally valuable. By reducing outside noise from traffic, wind, and city activity, these windows help create a peaceful retreat within your home. For Miami Beach homeowners seeking greater comfort, enhanced security, and improved energy efficiency, hurricane windows offer a smart, long-lasting solution. With their advanced construction and reliable performance, They provide the tranquility you deserve, no matter how lively the surroundings may be.